Oh. Oh.
That's a pig.
But I'm telling it's a green bird. I'm telling it's a green bird.
Are you pretending it's a green one?
A green angry bird, which is the one that goes backwards, like.
No, the one that goes backwards, yeah. Well, let's see. Yeah, get the pig. Destroy the level.
We'll take a picture now. Wow! But not. Don't do it all.
Okay.
If I turn back alive, everyone. They are. They always come back alive on the level. But every time they're dead, they turn back off. And one was the big green bird because he was like, oh.